Hey guys, how's it going? So, I just want to keep you guys updated. I'm no longer a Wayland shareholder. I sold off all my shares. I emailed the company. I left two messages. I phoned them 5 times. And I got multiple people to email them on top of me emailing them. And nobody's got a reply back. That is very unprofessional. I don't know. When I emailed Aurora, when I phoned Aurora and left a message, they came back to me right away. So I didn't like the fact that, and that's when Aurora was around $2 too. So not even when they were a big company. So the fact that Wayland is not responding to anyone is not, it's not very professional. Maybe there's something going on with the company. I want to shout out Brandon Beavis. Check out the yield curve inversion. It's a pretty interesting video. So I mean, I really recommend it. He explained the yield curve very well, so you should check it out. It has to, has a lot to do with the stock market crash and stuff, possibly a stock market crash. Anyways, I'm gonna play this video that me and Investing Hustler collab together because I lost the video. I accidentally deleted it, so I'm just gonna play the video he made. So let's begin. Of course, ads.
Collab in person, and if you guys have any ideas what you want us, it's tempting. No, I'll look at them tomorrow. If they go down more tomorrow, I'll definitely buy. I'll buy like $500 worth just to gamble.
Well, I bought $150,000 worth
Wow.
because I think I can 10 times my money on it. I made a video about it.
And yeah, you do have a pretty big position in that, but for you, that's not really a big position because I know you've had a bigger position in a company like Aurora.
And Namaste. I think I put in $500,000 into Namaste.
Yeah,
But
so you're a high roller. You're definitely playing with a lot of money. Well, before we get started, I would like to ask you guys to please give me a like. It really helps my channel and it will push me to make more videos. So let's try to get this video to 100 likes. What's going on, guys? It's Investing Hustler here, and I'm here with Kevin from Cyberworld 7. How's it going, Kevin?
good. Hey guys, how's it going? Me and Investing Hustler are gonna be talking about me possibly going to Ontario and check out Wayland. So
Yeah.
and Investing Hustler might join us too. So the meeting is around December 20th. If we do go, we'll probably go. We'll probably leave on the 19th and meet up with everyone, and then by maybe on the 20th we go to the shareholder meeting.
Yeah.
Investing Hustler does not have any Wayland shares, but I'm assuming he can just buy some and go to
Yeah.
the shareholder meeting.
Kevin did say I only have to own one Wayland share, but I'm very tempted to start a position with Wayland. Right now they're at $1.15 right here, as you can see on the chart. They're $1.15. They're actually at their 52-week low, very close to their 52-week low. Kevin, why do you like this company? Right now, if you look at the technical analysis, it's a sell. Pretty much it's a strong sell. So
Well,
why do you like this company, Kevin?
I have a theory, but that big companies like big money like another tobacco company, another beverage company is gonna look into this space closely, and if Wayland does pass that requirement, there might be rumors of Wayland getting bought out, and that might rise the stock up more, a little bit higher,
Mhm.
and then Wayland might go to like $4, and then they might get bought out 50% at like $6, $7, $8. That's my hope. That's the only reason why. And then on top of that, they are an international company that they have a GMP certified facility,
Mhm.
so they can ship. There's only 4 companies in the space that have GMP. Uh, Canopy has one, Aurora has one, Tilray has one, and Wayland has the fourth one. So there's only 4 companies right now. No other company, even Kronos, doesn't have a GMP certified facility yet. They almost had one, but then they had to recall the product because they had pesticides in in their weed.
Yep.
So they don't officially have a GMP certified facility yet. At least this is what I'm aware. I'm not 100% positive. And Wayland has one. And on top of that, Wayland, you know, they're expanding to Australia. They're expanding to Latin America. You know, I'm just thinking that possibly some big company coming in, because if a company was to buy out another company, they would have to look at the company. Hey, is this company an international company? And there's not very many international companies out there. So my gamble is basically that Wayland possibly would get bought out in the future. So that's why I'm betting big on Wayland. If you guys are not aware, I have 150,000 shares of Wayland.
150,000 shares of Wayland. Wow.
Oh, sorry. I have about 150.
Okay, Google, going to bed.
Okay, turning off the lights.
Night.
$1,000 of Wayland. I have 110,000 shares of.
Okay, that's still a lot. Wow. Yeah. So right here, I'm looking at the maps, Langton Community Center. And what is this? This is the Wayland. This is where the shareholder meeting is taking place?
Yes. It's kind of weird to me that they have the facility right in the middle of kind of nowhere. And it's not in a main city like in Toronto.
It's probably because it's a lot cheaper. Toronto would be a very hard to, it looks like a big facility. It'd be hard to own a big facility like that in Toronto. But obviously this company has a lot of money since they have a market cap of 200.
They have about $60 million in cash.
Yeah.
So they don't have a lot of money. They have okay money, but the market cap is only $250 million, and they have $60 million of cash. And then they have about $90 million worth of assets right now.
Yep. So Wayland is definitely in the middle of nowhere. I'm here in the city in Toronto. They're probably like a 3-hour drive, maybe 2.5 away from Toronto. And then what did you say this address was? 150 Concession Road?
Yeah, this is their facility.
This is their greenhouse facility.
So just zoom in so everyone can see.
Yeah, I'm about to zoom in just now. Oh, this one's definitely in the middle of nowhere as well.
Okay, so this is if you guys are looking at the screenshot right here, this is their greenhouse facilities. This is their 40,000 square feet greenhouse. They have it in sections, and then if you look in the background where like the two columns are right now, like this is an old map, so you can't see it. But if you look, can you zoom out? Yeah, it's good. Okay, you see those two lines that move down. That whole section area is going to be their greenhouse that they're building right now. We can't see it on the map is because no. It's actually bigger than that. It's like the two squares on the other side too, the other gray side.
Wow. So all pretty much here too?
No. Down.
They're definitely expanding then. They're growing their business. It just kind of sucks that it's in the middle of nowhere, but
yeah, it's the middle of nowhere. That's the thing. I'm gonna need to rent a car and need to drive a lot. So yeah.
That's a long drive. It should be a fun road trip though.
Yeah, first of all, the thing is, I'm not planning to go to the Wayland facility unless they approve me. Because I just emailed them, and I asked them to see if I can go to the Langton
Community Center.
Not community center, the greenhouse facility to film it and to check it out for myself.
Yeah.
I just emailed them like at 5 p.m. So, I'm hoping tomorrow I get an email reply back. Because I need to hurry this up because we need to plan this out, and I need to try to rush them to get me a reply. So I'm gonna ask Investing Hustler to try to bug them, see if they reply back to him. He's gonna email them and say, hey, can I go to the shareholder meeting if I buy your stock right now? And then if they reply to him, you could be like, can I also tour your greenhouse facility? And if he gets that green light, we'll go. Me and my friend is going right to Toronto, and we're gonna meet up with Investing Hustler, and we're gonna be going to these facilities and checking them out.
No, yeah, that'll be cool. I'm definitely up for that. And so I've been looking at their charts, and right here you saw Wayland reach a nice high of what's their 52-week high? Well, they reached a high of $2.
You know how the best plug for the Christmas tree is always behind the Christmas tree? Well, here's an idea. Hey Google, turn on my Christmas tree.
$64, and they've had a nice sell-off. What do you think the reason for that sell-off is?
Well, the market was so bad. Like it was such a bear market that everything was selling off.
Yeah.
And I believe that like I don't know why it hasn't risen yet, but maybe people are just ignoring it right now.
Yeah.
But assuming that if everything is bright and green, eventually people will start noticing, hey, this one is red, and then they might pump money into it, and then the stock might rise. That's my hope. Anyways, I don't know. It could decline even further, but if the stock declines to $1, I'm definitely going to be adding to my position, because at the end of the day, I believe that this is a real company. I know there might be some problems within the company, like bad management, crooked management, but you could say the same thing for Afria. Yeah. And the stock's still rising, so I think Afria just tells a better story. This company, like when this company was around $4, there was insider trading, and then the stock dropped dramatically, and it has never been able to recover back to $4. I think if the company execute and we have a green rally, the stock will probably end up going back to probably $1.60, hopefully $2. If Aurora goes at $10, $12, $13, this stock's probably going back to $2, in my opinion.
Well, it looks very tempting. The lowest this company has ever went from these charts looks like it's $1.04 around there. Yeah. $1.04, $1.05. And we're at $1.15. So, and it's very close to its 52-week low. So it's very tempting to actually start a very small position in this, even if it's only $500, at least so I could go to the shareholders meeting. So yeah, it does look good on these charts, but then again, you never know. Everything's so unpredictable. This company can easily continue to decline.
If you look at the total asset of this company to the total market cap, yeah, this company has almost the same amount of assets as the market cap.
Yeah. Well, you know a lot more about this company than I do, but I'm definitely interested. Just by these charts alone, I would have to definitely do some more research, but it could be one of those gambles because it is close to its bottom. It does look like hopefully this is the bottom, unless it breaks into a new resistance line. But we'll have to see about that.
So let's hope that we get to the let's hope we get a reply from Wayland. I guess that's it for the video.
It definitely sounds like a good idea because Departures Capital does live a lot closer to this facility, so I'll talk to him. You could talk to him. We'll see if he's down. I think he's definitely down. He loves filming collabs, so I don't see why that would be a problem.
The reason why I'm spending $2,000 to fly down to Toronto to check out this facility is part of my due diligence. I need to investigate, make sure that I'm not throwing my money into some crooked company that has no assets at all. I want to see these facilities for my own eyes. I want to see the shareholder meeting for my own eyes. I want to ask questions. I want to make sure that I want to do my due diligence, make sure that this is not a company I'm comfortable holding my shares for the long term, because I'm thinking of holding this for the long term, because I think if Wayland got bought out, this stock can easily be a 10-bagger. So
yeah, you do have $112,000 invested into this company. That's a lot of money. So and then obviously the $2,000, that's like an investment to do your due diligence, to have a peace of mind that you're not throwing $112,000 into a company that's going to be a scam or a fraud or something that you're going to lose your money in. So that's definitely smart. That's definitely taking investigating a company to a whole new level. And yeah, you do have a pretty big position in that, but for you, that's not really a big position, because I know you've had a bigger position in a company like Aurora.
And Namaste. I think I put in $500,000 into Namaste.
Yeah, so you're a high roller. You're definitely playing with a lot of money. All right, well, thanks for watching, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a like.
So I just want to say thank you. I just want to say that thank you to watching this video. If you actually watched the end, if you haven't seen this video yet, I guess it's interesting to see. But Wayland didn't email us back. I haven't got a hold of contact of Wayland yet, and I emailed them at the beginning of the week. So I decided to just sell off all my shares and leave it alone. So anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.